Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to the midday update and the recap because I'm going to try and squeeze it all into one video here as I'm going to take off early for the day. And most of my traders on my trading floor have left already. Very muted session, lighter volume as to be expected, anticipated. General index is not really making much of a stand one way or the other, but there is an underlying story today. So let's look at the spiders here. Again, sort of chart we've been watching, lots of ebbs and flows here this week. We have recovered off the lows. We're trading right around 1320 here in the S&Ps, 132.5 in the spiders. Not really making much of a stand today. You can see the intraday today. Again, today's candlestick just very tight range. Can't really find its way higher, can't really find its way lower. But that's not really the story here today. I think the story here today, if I'm going to look at it as high beta, Google breaking that level we talked about in the morning call. Volume starting to rise here. This is a pretty ugly looking chart structure, and this to me tells me that the stock wants lower in time. So definitely some cracks under the hood here in some of the stocks. Again, Apple, again, still working its way lower, trying to push its way lower. No real buyers here so far today. There is obviously a few hours left in the session, so again, anything can happen into the end of the day. But for right now, some of our leadership just not showing any buyers. Amazon, another one I'm starting to watch, starting to curl under the 8. Turning down here. I would keep an eye on this one for further downside as well. Priceline, another one mentioned, starting to push lower, snapping back into these averages. So, while the markets really aren't giving us a whole lot to do today, there are some trades on the board that we've sort of talked about in the last couple of sessions that we've been watching that are starting to develop. Again, with a lighter volume trade, I think less is more. For right now, that's really the best that I can give you. As we head into lunch and out of lunch, I suspect it's going to get even lighter and choppier, and but we're going to watch some of these names into Tuesday that are currently showing us some weakness that could be some good trades going into early next week. As always, a planned trader is a profitable trader. I'm Laz. Have a great holiday weekend. I'll be back Tuesday. Take care.